Hello, good evening, Gandharv. How are you?
I'm fine.
Nice. And what is today's topic, Gandharv?
But
Birds. Okay. Do you like birds? Okay. Which is your favorite bird? What is your favorite bird?
Penguin.
Favorite bird.
Penguin. Then eagle.
Eagle. Oh. Why do you like eagle?
It is so sensitive. It can see carefully. It uses strength to attack enemies. Then it will be it is so strong. So
Okay. And
penguin, it is so cute. It will walk like something.
yeah.
So
So you like penguin as well? Yeah. So when you get to know that penguin is a bird, how was your reaction?
I was asking my mom that my teacher that if penguin is a bird, ma'am told yes, bird. Oh, I was shocked and went to my place.
Yeah. It is shocking, right? It looks like an animal.
Mainly, in Google also saying same thing. What is a bird? I asked that Google, what is a bird? Is a bird is an animal that can fly, but penguin can't fly.
Yeah.
But maybe kept as a bird, I think.
Yes, and there is one more bird called ostrich, right?
It's same like Australia.
It is also, I think, it cannot fly. But
Yeah, Australia, it's only the world's biggest cell organ.
oh, okay. And what defines a bird as a unique animal from the other group?
What more?
What defines as a bird as a unique animal?
Not like no.
It is also an animal, but a different group, right? It's a unique group. So according to you, what defines as a bird? What is the definition of a bird?
A bird can fly other than penguin and ostrich. It can fly. Some birds can fly more than 72 kilometers, but normal average birds can fly little like 20 to 50. Can in the air. After that, it will be not staying. It will wait down in land.
Okay. And how do they differ from the animal?
Birds have lightweight. Animals have a lot. Animals have like so much weight. And birds have 2 wings. Animals have nothing. And birds can fly. Animals can't fly.
And
Actually, I have a bird. That bird name is. When I buying that bird, in my English storybook, they were given Harry's mad.
okay.
That story about a bird called mad. Mad means that short form only mad. His full name is Mad.
Oh.
So I kept my bird same name Madison. It can talk.
Oh.
It will tell like a few words. More than 6 months. Only 6 or 7. 6 to 8. Thank you. Bye.
Oh.
Good luck. Like that.
Okay. And how does it look?
Like color orange, red, yellow, mixed.
Okay.
It's a type of cocktail.
Oh. Okay. And okay. And do you think birds are smarter or animals?
Yeah, mom. Not like here. No, animals is very conscious with their habits. No, like somebody coming to eat their food, it will be angry. But birds and the no, if we come near to them, they'll fly. Mostly birds. Most of the birds will be like that only. Like some birds like eagle, ostrich, they and all will be not. They'll come to eat us only.
Okay. So according to you, who's smarter?
Animal only.
Animals. Okay. Any reason you think that animals are more smarter?
It is conscious about their social benefits like for them.
And they're aware of everything. You know, whatever happening in their surroundings and their environment, they're very aware of it. Yeah, and also they're selfish, right? And according to you, which color bird is the most beautiful bird?
Peacock.
Peacock. Yes, it is the most beautiful bird. But according to you, which color bird looks beautiful?
Sunrises.
Sorry?
Sunrises.
Oh. Why?
Because these birds, this bird is used to for pilots, marines. It will be like a very darkly on the, it will look like painting green, orange, yellow, pink, white, grey, black, every color will be there.
Yeah.
But it's not available in India and that bird is banned also in India.
Oh. How did you know?
It is in like Sri Lanka, Australia.
Okay.
This bird is originated in America.
Oh. And how do birds adapt to live in a cold or hot climate? What do you think?
Penguin is a bird which is living in a cold region. Not only penguin, acacias. Then the bird is flies, something like that. Then
Okay.
then these birds will be living in cold cities. In our normal places, the bird will be normal like some eagles. We take to the cold region, it automatically will be not get to be flying. It will be very something happened to it.
Okay.
So,
Do you think birds can recognize themselves in mirrors?
what means?
Can birds recognize themselves in mirror?
Village.
Mirror, mirror.
No.
No?
Yes.
But there is one bird that can recognize itself in a mirror.
Which bird?
Pigeon.
Pardon?
Pigeon.
Pigeon.
Hmm. Do you know that? And what do you think? How can humans help and protect birds?
What name?
How can humans help and protect birds?
First you want to stop the current, but that we can't stop it. There will be continuing only. So that one should change. Can be. No wonder it's coming like they can use it instead of current. They can use batteries
Yeah.
instead of taking the wire and putting. Not only bird, ma'am, even human got getting dying by these things.
Yes.
They can use batteries, something.
Yeah.
Instead of you, like you want to watch YouTube, something in your mobile, not on the mobile, computer, laptop, TV, we can use Wi-Fi.
Yes.
Instead of that, they were giving the radio active, like something. So, but sometimes birds are no living places. Nowadays, trees are cutting down, deforestation, burning.
Yes.
So,
And like what instead of what we should do as a human, what we can do for them, for birds and animals.
daily keeping food outside. Some many birds come and eat.
Okay.
Changing the, like I told, that current, instead of using wires, cables, they can use batteries.
Okay.
Batteries Wi-Fi.
Oh.
And then, no, I don't think. Instead of using the current wire, they can use solar.
Yeah. Right.
Yeah. For our light current. In your house, we keep in solar at night only. That it will be working at night only.
Yeah.
Only one small solar only kept. For night, for saving night only, we will put fans, light.
Oh.
Okay, so
That is great. And also, I think in summers we should, show some extra efforts towards birds and animals, especially in summers because it's very hot, and yeah, we should do something for them.
in summer, what they should be doing is
We should keep some water every day for them.
yeah, but in some places, very hot means now some vehicles, like is fire, like a small thing like fire engine is coming in that places and taking the water and spreading overall.
Okay.
Like that, in doing summer means it will be good.
Yeah, right. Yeah, I think we should do something for them because birds are very important for our ecosystem, right? Yeah. So.
Even we are using birds only now, like hen.
Hen?
Hen. in some like animals, they are eating them also. No.
Yeah.
We need so you have to keep protect them.
Right. And if you could have bird as a pet, then which bird would you like to have?
I having one that cocktail.
Oh, but any other bird?
So I was to keep sunrise that you don't know that will be very good. It will be talk very like clearly language like what language it clearly like where it from originate that bird. It will talk in same language but clearly.
Hmm. Okay. And tell me the most colorful bird that you know.
Peacock.
Peacock. Yeah.
Then that's a sunrise.
Okay. And how do you keep your birds? Do you keep them in a cage?
Like in the morning we'll keep it in a cage.
Hmm.
And afternoon we'll keep it in a cage.
Hmm.
And then we will put inside the house.
Okay. And is it difficult to manage them?
No.
Okay. Like you have to maintain them, no? You have to give them their food proper and everything. Is it easy or is it difficult? Okay. And do you take some time to play with them?
Yeah, no.
When?
In the evening.
Evening.
It will eat dinner at me or even same table.
Oh.
I keep above the table.
Hmm.
I will keep small lid. I will keep some that are separate cocktail food. We'll eat by one. I'll be also eating dosa or something.
Okay.
Last to me. Give.
Hmm. So they speak in English?
Pardon?
They speak in English?
But thank you. Not only English. You also I teach in English. Some word like some word only know.
Oh. Okay. That's cute. And tell me that bird that you think it's a very dangerous bird or considered as a dangerous bird.
What name?
A bird that is considered as a dangerous bird.
Danger bird. Ostrich.
Ostrich. Yeah, like slightly they are dangerous.
These two birds only.
Okay, Gandharv, I think it was a great conversation today, and now it's time to hang up. Okay, bye. Have a nice day.
Thank you.
Bye.